Hello. Today I am going to provide you a free software of MS Office 2007 with key, and you can easily download the software. I will give the download link in the description, uh, and uh, it is easy to install. You need to download the file and open it, and open Microsoft, and here is the setup exe. You need to run this setup like I installed MS Office, so I don't need to do that again. So you need to install run the setup, and it will instantly it will ask for a serial key. So it also include a serial key right here. You need to copy that and put the required section. It will pop up here, so the installation will begin. Then you can customize it if you want to install only Excel and MS Word and some other files, so you can choose from there. So really guys, if you enjoyed the software and it is free of cost for you, kindly please subscribe my channel for more software and more videos, and press the bell icon as well to notify you when I upload new video. Thank you guys.